Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten and I'm a writer and content strategist. There are thousands of writing contests out there. Whether you are a new or experienced writer, entering contests can be a positive experience. But there are some things you need to look out for. Number one, entry fees can be steep. Paying a fee is reasonable. Writing contests can come with some hefty overhead for admin, judges' fees, prizes, etc. Even the expensive contests can be worthwhile depending on who the judges are and what the prizes are. Just be aware of it. Number two, as a counterpoint to high entry fees, some contests actually give you some kind of perk, like a free trial of some writing software or discounted entry to a conference. Some of the perks can make the entry fee worthwhile, so look out for those. Number three, this is a big one, guys. You have to read the terms and conditions of every contest thoroughly. Specifically, before you pay that fee and send in that entry, you have to make sure you know who is going to own the story once you submit it. Don't ever enter a contest that involves you giving away the rights to your story. Rules stating that you may not publish your story elsewhere until the results have been announced are fine, as long as you own your story. Be extremely careful with this because the wording around this is sometimes deliberately vague. Don't allow yourself to be tricked. And number four, on the positive side, some writing contests actually send you personalized feedback regardless of the results. So you can learn a ton of valuable information and tips from experts that you can take with you forever. So bear that in mind. Contests that include feedback can be well worth your while. All in all, writing contests can be great. You can have fun with it, you can stretch your creative skills, and you can learn a lot. Just be sure to go in with your eyes wide open. That's it for today. Come back tomorrow for a new writing challenge.